have over the last 3 or 4 years built a large business in remittances into India, and clearly for us the next target is to expand this into other markets. And the only way we believe we can do this is through partnerships. And we are extremely honored that a bank as important as National Savings Bank has agreed to become our partners. So I thank you, Mr. Chairman, for this arrangement.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me first give you an overview of the National Savings Bank. It is a 100% state-owned, licensed specialized bank and also the only AAA rated bank in Sri Lanka. The main objective of the bank is to spread the habit of savings among the Sri Lankan nationals and encourage them to save. To achieve this, we have launched a number of deposit and loan products and services that suit the need of citizens of all ages and from all walks of life. Our bank, therefore, is popularly known as the family bank in Sri Lanka. The popularity of our bank is shown by the fact that we hold 14.6 million accounts out of a population of 19 million. The National Savings Bank, though created by an Act of Parliament in year 1972, has a history dating back to 1832. Today is a memorable day in our history of 175 years because National Savings Bank, as a 100% state-owned institution, is joining hands with the ICICI Bank, a large private sector foreign institution, to help the Sri Lankan migrants to send their earnings home securely and at an affordable price. We are indeed proud to tie up with the second largest bank in India with an asset base of over US 57 billion, if I am right, and at present in 19 international locations and over 630 branches. The initiative taken by the National Savings Bank in this kind of activity would further strengthen the friendly relationship that exists between Sri Lanka and India. Until last year, the National Savings Bank was engaged in mobilization of deposits from the resident Sri Lankan nationals only. Seeing the valuable contribution that has been made to the economy of the country by the 1.5 million Sri Lankan migrants, the National Savings Bank, with the approval of the regulatory authorities, decided to mobilize savings from the non-resident Sri Lankan nationals as well. We now provide facilities to the migrants or their dependents to open accounts with us in Sri Lankan rupees or designated foreign currencies. At present, we open accounts in US dollars and euro only. The remittance arrangements with ICICI Bank will be of mutual benefit. The essence of the agreement is the utilization of the global presence of ICICI Bank and the local presence of the National Savings Bank. Under this agreement, non-resident Sri Lankan nationals could use the branches, correspondents and agents of the ICICI Bank globally to remit funds to accounts with National Savings Bank. We are very grateful to Mr. Naveen Agrawal, country head of ICICI Bank Sri Lanka, and his team for having detailed discussion with us in Colombo in formulating this remittance agreement and make it happen. I must mention with gratitude about the most valuable contribution made by Mr. Romesh Elapatha, the deputy head of the ICICI Bank Sri Lanka, to make this a reality. We maintain a very close and personal relationship with Mr. Romesh Elapatha. We are also very grateful to Mr. Bhargav Dasgupta, Senior General Manager ICICI Bank, and of course Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, the brand ambassador for international operations of ICICI Bank, for being here to grace this ceremony. Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, as we are well aware, you are not just an Indian, you are global. You are owned by the whole world, including Sri Lanka and her people. Your glamorous presence here this afternoon makes this effort more worthwhile and more valuable. We sincerely believe that this remittance agreement would benefit both banks and, most importantly, the people of Sri Lanka toiling away in foreign lands. We also hope that the ICICI Bank would notify all their branches, correspondents and agents about this new remittance arrangements, and we will be able to commence operations soon. Thank you very much, and we sincerely hope that both our banks will have a very cordial and friendly relationship, and it will grow day by day, year by year.